Alright guys, today we have the Airmatic suspension shock from a Mercedes. This came off, I believe, a 450, I'm not sure, but you probably seen some of my videos. I changed this, I even lit this on fire. It was pretty fireproof. Alright, so there it is from bottom to top. This is the air shock of a Mercedes. So what we'll do is today, just to get another educational video on this, what's inside this and how does it work, because a lot of time before I open one of these up, I thought, how does this hold itself? You know, it's got to have something inside. So there is something inside that's probably holding this together, right? So let me rip this open. It's like me working at a fruit stand. This is not a cheat and kill, guys. This is very strong stuff here. This thing is stronger than my blade. I'm gonna try to get this thing all around, guys. So we just slip this guy off. Alright, now you can see the inside a little bit, but let's just continue. That's working pretty good right there. Alright guys, let's strip it down. Alright, so inside right here, it's like a little shock, alright? Right inside there, you have a little shock. Just like a regular any shock right there. Hopefully you can see. See right there? So this only goes up down a little bit. And that's how it works. This is where it pumps the air from, and then it will go up and down. It had a pit stopper right there inside, so it doesn't damage itself. Alright guys, so there it is, guys. Inside view of our Airmatic shock. Alright guys, that's it guys. Thank you and subscribe. And there's not much inside this shock. This is a Mercedes Airmatic. Remove the airbag. That's it guys. Thank you. Bye bye.